Hello, I'm Chuck Thompson with TSL. You may not know, but TSL recently acquired JLCooper Electronics, and I'm here today showing the JLCooper Slow-Mo controllers, Slow-Mo Mini, Slow-Mo Pro. JLCooper makes Slow-Mo Mini in RS422 and USB versions, and Slow-Mo Pro also RS422 and USB versions. The RS422 versions control video recorders, and the USB versions are typically used with things like vMix and Softron, mReplay, programs like that. Both products are functionally identical. They have Hall effect jog wheels, optical shuttle ring on the Slow-Mo Pro, and they both have a Hall effect T-bar, which for durability and for the purpose of high resolution. And the Slow-Mo controllers allow operators to quickly mark in and out points and speed through slow-mo editing. They're used in esports, sports applications, for schools, and even for professional events. I'm demonstrating now the Slow-Mo Pro connected to a Blackmagic Hyper Deck, and you can connect up to 4 Hyper Decks at the same time. It's a 4-channel device. You can enable the channels here, and you can set 500 in and out points using a Cherry style numeric keypad. Using the transport buttons, I can put the deck into play. I can jog shuttle with the jog wheel, allowing me to, we make a balanced optically encoded and Hall effect jog wheel and shuttle mechanism that feels very nice, and it's very robust compared with other products in the market that use plastic mechanisms. And here I'm using the shuttle to move video. You can also enable the T-bar and move video with the T-bar and control the slow-mo speed that way. You can also set the cues to play back at specific speeds if you want to. There's an instant replay mode that is a 1-button instant replay feature designed for inexperienced users to allow them to quickly put together things for scoreboards, and for schools use them a lot for things like that.